Right, hi guys, Philip English from robofeel.com. We've got a bit of an unboxing for you today for Robomation. So we have got in the hamster kit, a turtle kit and some card games, and this is basically for kids really. This is for kids, training them how to do their coding. These guys are from South Korea, and yeah, I've got a few bits and bobs, so I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing for you today. So Robomation's purpose is to create a product that helps people by giving them movement and feeling, which makes sense. They're first established in 1995. They strive to bring changes of lives based on the accumulation of technology and the imagination that dreams new and convenient. So currently Robomation's main field of research is educational robots. Their Robomation coding educational robots help students to increase their interest in software and helps educators to provide an effective training tool. Their big goal is they wish customers would have a better experience through Robomation and changing mindsets and life through education. And Robomation's big dream is the changing of humans' lives and society through product development. So I hope that gives you just a quick overview of Robomation and what they're about. I actually saw these guys when I was over in Japan at the end of this year, end of last year, 2019. And yeah, there was definitely some interesting products. So anyway, so they sent me this. So let's have a look to see what we have to start with. So I've ordered the full kit from them. And then what we'll do is we'll actually do some tutorial videos of the of how it all works, but we'll do that in a different video. This is just an unboxing so you guys see what you get from an education point of view. So first off, we have the games. Again, this is for kids really, teaching the kids the first basics about robotics. So we have a fruit game, I'm guessing, fruit board game. So that's that one. The apples, bananas, the grapes, everything on there. So I guess that helps the little kids learn about the fruit. Let's put that down there. The next bit, if we have animals, you can all see that. So yep, I particularly like the lamb on this one. And we've got the fox and the lion and the bird and everything else. So we'll see teaching basic animals. So that's that one. And then the last one is oh, this is for the turtle one. So obviously these are sea creatures, sharks and jellyfish, stingray, etc. Maybe you can see that. Put that on there for the other camera to see as well. So that's the board game part, which we have seen before in a lot of educational tools from South Korea. I'm quite impressed with a lot of their stuff actually. So, okay, big box. Let's get all the stuff out of the box. Hope you can see me. I can't stand up because otherwise you won't see me talk. So, what have we got? Well padded. So these are the guys that did the Albert robot as well. So I'm not sure, I did do a video quite a few years ago of the Albert robot. Again, another brilliant tool that I think from South Korea. So, first off, we have a turtle looking thing designed to create creative coding. So a little blue turtle robot there. I'll put in there for you. We have a USB charging pack. So that's the only charging, makes sense. We have another Pocky turtle. Don't know what the differences are between those two. Unplugged coding robot. So that's another one there. We have a USB stick, put that there. Hamster gripper, okay, so that's for gripping cups and stuff like that. So I'll put that there. That's going to be interesting. I guess it can bring me cups of tea and stuff. Okay, so I think that's everything. Oh no, we've got more stuff in this box. So maybe I need to put the box on the floor actually, but we'll just go with it. So we've got the hamster standard extension kit. So I'm guessing that's just a USB or something like that. And there's something else in here, which is, I have no idea what that is. So we'll figure out what those are on the tutorials. Okay, that's the first one. I'm going to put this box down here actually. Everyone can see what I'm up to. So, turtle, pink turtle, some sort of kit, another turtle there. hamster thing, and that's that. Then we got another box inside that one. Oh, right, that's the turtle kit. Right, so I'm guessing this one is the other part. Should have opened this before I started this tutorial. Okay. And let's see what the other bit is. Lots of fluffy pink stuff. Put that down there. Another board. Right, okay, so so this is the hamster kit. So I'm guessing that you can use both of these with the boards that I showed you a minute ago. And this is the hamster one. Now with this, I think you can actually use Lego with this. So anyone who's obviously got Lego, there is a kit for Lego parts. And what do we got? Hamster extension kit. Again, I don't know what a lot of this is actually. Okay, so there's the hamster S part. So again, there's two of these. There's a hamster kit and a turtle kit. So we've got some pens, so they're for drawing. And we have some other maze solving kits. Again, something I don't quite know what that is. It's a black thing, must be to do with part of it. Okay, let's put this down here. Right, so in here we have a, that must go with the board game, and various stickers and etc. to actually go with the games. But again, we'll go through that on the next video with some tutorials. Pocket turtles to understand how the tutorials work to teach. Okay, and there's some other sticky things there. What have we got? Oh, right, okay, and we got a miniature version of the board games as well, which I wasn't expecting. Let's get this out. So I'm guessing that there's all the board games in miniature style, so you can have small or large. I suppose playing in groups or playing individually. And we'll put that there as well. I'm making a bit of a mess. Right, okay. So that's what you get fresh out of the box. So the turtle game, creative code, pocket turtle, and then loads of pens as well. So I'm going to stack these here. Right, so starting with the turtle box, I put that there, so that can everyone see, and that one there. We will see what we get from the turtle side of things, and so open them up. You get your little turtle box, little load of instructions. Oh, okay, it works quite similar to Albo actually. The technology is very similar. You get your own little set of stickers, so you can make your Turtlebot look like whatever you want him to look like. And there he is. So we'll just get him out here. Oh, I see, yeah. So straight away he sort of has no face. So the idea would be to put a face to him. But again, the technology is actually similar to Albert, where he's obviously following the lines and following the board games. So that's in there. That's his features, and I'm guessing this is a USB pen, so you can obviously charge him up. And then we have some card games for him as well. So we'll get him going in a minute for you. Let's just have a look at the other ones before we do that. So let's put that there. Put him to the side. Pocket turtle, right, is that one. And that one there for the other camera. So we'll just see. Oh, that's not going to do it, is it? Carefully open up the box. Okay, right, I've got it open. Okay, so there's the turtle one. So straight up. Pocket turtle. Now, I don't quite know what the differences are, but we will find out. Again, you have your robot there, you have your card games that go with the robot, and you have your stickers so you can create whatever robot you want. I'm guessing a boy one and a girl one. or anyone you want. And let's get this one out. So again, similar pocket turtle. So are they different in size? Okay, yeah, so one's bigger than the other. Again, technology is very similar. It's using the exact same tech. And we'll put that one there for the mini turtle. Let's put that one there for the mini turtle. Right, what else we have? We've got lots and lots of stuff here, actually. A lot more than I was thinking. Okay, maze solver, Robomation charger. Right, let's have a look here. Careful with the scissors, obviously. What have we got here? Right, okay. So you have just a basic charger there. Okay, so obviously with these games, there's going to be a lot of USB plug-in, and that's what that's for. And then in there, you just have the charging plug. So that makes sense. Put that one there. Right, where is the hamster? Where is he? Ah, he must be this one. Right, okay. Hamster gripper. Oh no, this is just a gripper. So I can't see the hamster. And let's open up this one. No, I need to find the hamster first. Where's the hamster? Right, okay, this is the hamster. Okay, hamster one. So let's open this one up first, and then we can go into his accessories. What have we got? Okay, there he is. He's quite a small guy. I was expecting a bit of a fatter box. So hamster there. And open that up. This is all quite good quality stuff, by the way, guys. It's again, it's the South Korean technology has always been something I'm quite a fan of. So there is the little hamster wheel. So we'll get him moving around in a minute. We'll charge him up and get him running around. I'm not sure if you can see it on that camera there, but that's him there. And that's it there. So that's the unboxing of that. USB again. And yeah, standard USB for the hamster. Oh, put that one there. Right, what else we got? We were going back to this one. So this is the hamster gripper kit. Hope you can see that. Ah, it's got its own little glasses. So the idea is that that goes with the hamster. And I'm guessing that you can go and tell him to pick up these little cups. I'm guessing these little cups are part of a game, but again, we'll go through that on more in the tutorial videos. So that's the hamster kit. What else have we got here? This is another hamster accessory. This is for the pen tool. So essentially, once the hamster's on there, you can get him drawing, and we'll have a play with that again, a different tutorial. And we've got the Lego bricks there that you can put on there. So that's an extension for him. What's this? Right, for this one, what have we got? We got some straws. Okay, I have no idea what those straws do. But again, part of the hamster extension kit, we will find out. Probably something to do with the cups, to be honest with you. Okay, put that there. Maze solver cover. So again, I'm guessing that is going to go with the pen system that you get. Sorry. That's that there. You guys can see that. And that there. You do get a lot. Black cover. So I'm guessing this again is just more parts that you can put your Lego pieces onto as well to make it a bit more interactive and fun. That's that part there. And then lastly, we have hamster extension kit. So I'm guessing again, this is basically all going to be to do with the game. Okay, so hamster extension kits, and so this looks like more of a moving product. Oh, okay, and it gives you some electronic components to actually really do some deep dive electronic stuff. Okay, that's interesting. So we'll have a look into that, how that works as well. Okay, perfect, right. Okay guys, so that's a quick unboxing of the Robomation robots. So we'll go through them and obviously we'll find out the benefits from each one on the next tutorial. Thanks guys.